The glow coming off this crucible is enough to melt your face if you get too close. 1200 degrees of liquid aluminum bubbling like a witch's cauldron, and I'm about to dump the whole thing into a hole in the dirt. You can hear that high-pitched hiss, that's the moisture in the soil, screaming as it turns to instant steam. If this pressure builds up too fast, the ground spits back, and I'm covered in molten metal. This isn't a science project, it's a gamble against a subterranean fortress. Most people see a fire ant mound and think about boiling water or poison. I see a blueprint of a hidden city. These things are architectural marvels, but you can't see the genius from the surface. I've spent years perfecting the pour, figuring out exactly how to turn a pest problem into a solid silver sculpture. It's dangerous, it's messy, and the results are unpredictable every single time. If you want to see what's actually happening under your feet while you're mowing the lawn, you need to see this through to the end. The forge is roaring like a jet engine right now. I'm using old soda cans and scrap car parts, turning it into a river of silver. Fire ants are aggressive, man. They're already swarming my boots, trying to find a gap in the leather. They know something's coming. I have to clear the top of the mound carefully, because if I collapse the main shaft, the metal won't blow. The smell is the first thing that hits you. It's a mix of burnt earth and ozone. I'm skimming the dross off the top of the liquid metal. You want it clean. You want it to flow like water. The pores are slow, steady lean. You can't rush it. Look at the way the earth just swallows it. The smoke coming out of the side vents is a good sign. It means the metal is reaching the deep chambers. Now, we wait. This is the part that kills me. You can't just dig it up. It takes hours for the earth to soak up that heat. The digging is the real workout. The heat from the pour basically turns the surrounding dirt into terracotta. There it is. I'm brushing away the last of the charred earth, and this thing is massive. It's not just a hole. It's a nervous system made of metal. Look at the complexity here. Every single one of these little nodules was a room. It's an entire civilization, frozen in a split second. Look at the scale of this thing next to my truck. It's a monster. If you think this turned out wild, share the video. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to go get some ice for my back. Peace.